Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and we make videos for you people with great dedication. We work so hard and you do not even subscribe to our channel. Do not share the videos and do not even like them. I request you all with folded hands, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get our upcoming videos first. And share the channel with your friends and encourage us. Video later. 4.2 The structure of an atom. We have learned Dalton's atomic theory in chapter 3, which suggested that the atom was indivisible and indestructible. But the discovery of two fundamental particles, electrons and protons, inside the atom, led to the failure of this aspect of Dalton's atomic theory. It was then considered necessary to know how electrons and protons are arranged within an atom. For explaining this, many scientists proposed various atomic models. J.J. Thomson was the first one to propose a model for the structure of an atom. 4.2.1 Thomson's model of an atom. Thomson proposed the model of an atom to be similar to that of a Christmas pudding. The electrons, in a sphere of positive charge, were like currants, dry fruits, in a spherical Christmas pudding. We can also think of a watermelon. The positive charge in the atom is spread all over like the red edible part of the watermelon, while the electrons are studded in the positively charged sphere, like the seeds in the watermelon, fig. 4.1 Theta theta positive sphere theta 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 electron fig. 4.1 Thomson's model of an atom. 0. Thomson proposed that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. So, the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Although Thomson's model explained that atoms are electrically neutral, the results of experiments carried out by other scientists could not be explained by this model, as we will see below. 4.2.2 Rutherford's model of an atom. Ernest Rutherford was interested in knowing how the electrons are arranged within an atom. Rutherford designed an experiment for this. In this experiment, fast-moving alpha particles were made to fall on a thin gold foil. He selected a gold foil because he wanted as thin a layer as possible. This gold foil was about 1000 atoms thick. A particles are doubly charged helium ions. Since they have a mass of 4U, the fast-moving A particles have considerable amount of energy. It was expected that A particles would be deflected by the subatomic particles in the gold atoms. Since the A particles were much heavier than the protons, he did not expect to see large deflections. 47. थॉमसन ने प्रस्तावित किया कि एक परमाणु में धनात्मक आवेशित गोला होता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन उसमें समाहित होते हैं। ऋणात्मक और धनात्मक आवेश बराबर परिमाण में होते हैं। इसलिए परमाणु समग्र रूप से विद्युत रूप से तटस्थ होता है। हालांकि थॉमसन के मॉडल ने समझाया कि परमाणु विद्युत रूप से तटस्थ होते हैं।